Okay, we are going for the next topic, that is the financing decision. Okay, before that financing, we are just knowing about that investing decision. Now here we are going to know about the from where we are going to collect what type of money which we are required. That is the decision of the financing decision. At like that, if you needed 1 lakh rupees, okay, for the arranging of this 1 lakh rupees, from which source we are going to utilize, that is for the decision of that resources, that is called financing decision. Okay, beta? Means for the arranging of this 1 lakh rupees, maybe we are going to utilize 3 or 4 or 5 resources. The managing of these resources are taking the decision of for these resources, that is called financing decision. Okay, beta? Next, after this, it's divided in two categories. This needed money, this needed 1 lakh rupees money, we can arrange by the two way. One is own and second is loan or borrows. Okay, beta? One is own, it means we are going to arrange some money by the own sources, and second is the borrow sources, means we are going to arrange by the taking the loan or taking for bank loan, fund loan, or issue the debentures, and own capital issue the shares or utilize our fund. What type of your decision we are going to take the decision, that is coming in the decision. First we are going to take the decision about the own capital. How much we have own capital? How much share we are going to issue? Preference share or equity share? Dividend rate? These all is coming in decision of financing decision. Then going for the borrows or loan, we are going to take the bank loan, market loan, or issue the debentures. What thing we are going to utilize, that decision is coming on this loan decision. Okay, this total is coming on the financial decision. Okay, next.
Factors affecting financing decisions.
Just think about that. You are needed the money by the two way. One is own, second is loan, and then think about the which type of factors there they are going to affect these loan or these own capital, dividend rate, risk, interest rate. These are all the factor which is affecting when we are going to take the decision about the finance. Okay, first is cost. How much cost we are going to pay for the arranging this 1 lakh rupees? If you are going the more cost, always we are going for the less cost. 1 lakh rupees you are going to take by the bank loan, that interest rate is low. But that 1 lakh rupees you are going to take for the market loan, market security loan, that interest rate is what? High. The cost of market security loan or market loan, that is high, and cost of bank loan will low. So then we are going to take the decision, beta. And we are going to issue the preference share or going to issue the equity share, because of the preference share that dividend rate is high, and but in the equity share dividend rate is low. Then we are going to take the decision in which way we are going to arrange this 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so this cost factor is always affecting the financing decision. Okay, next. Risk. You are going to take the money from bank, low risk. Low risk, beta. Take the money from the market, high risk. Issue of the debenture, of the share. For these all we are going to think about the risk. Always the businessman thinking about the low risk factor. Okay, beta. Next.
Cash flow position.
Cash flow position. How much cash you needed? Last day I think I am explained. If all type of electronic companies needed, not only electronic, beta, that is making the big size of assets, motor vehicles, bikes, electronics things, they needed big size of cash, big size of liquid cash, because they are receiving the money after the sale of that product. So then they are not able to wait for that कि first product will sell and then money will come, then we are going to start the production. They are just starting the production continuously. Okay, beta? So for that they needed the more money, more cash. The cash flow position is a big size cash flow position, then we are needed more cash. Then we are taking the decision about the liquid capital, liquid money, cash money, fund money, how much money we are going to arrange by the bank, how much money we are going to arrange by the issue of debenture, issue of share. That is always depend on the cash flow position. Next.
Control consideration.
Okay, you are taking all the fund by the loan, then you are not able to control it. It's right or wrong? If you are taking the loan or money, then you are not able to control it. But you are taking the all share, then more and more control. Okay, beta? What type of control you required, you needed, that is one factor which affecting the managing of that finance. Next.
Flotation cost.
Flotation cost for the arranging of loan, for the arranging of own capital or issuing of share. For the issuing of share, some cost is there, beta. Some expense is there. For the arranging of loan, some expense is there. For issuing of debenture or taking the loan from bank, some expense is there. So, in which the higher cost or lower cost, they are always affecting the arranging that fund. Next.
Fixed operating cost.
Fixed operating cost. Many type of business is there. You will know about the fixed cost or fluctuating cost. Fixed cost always fixed, but fluctuating cost will vary by the production of units. Okay, beta? If your business like that, they are more and more needed of the fixed value or more money or more amount will invested in the fixed value, then you are going for the own capital. Okay? But less fixed value, more cash capital, more cash you needed, as like that general store or trading business. They are purchasing for one place and selling for the other place. They needed money, only they needed working money. They didn't needed fixed money because they are not going to store it, they are not going to protect it, they are not going to make it. Okay, beta? Then they are needed less money. They are directly what money? They are going to take the loan from the bank, loan from the anywhere, because they are well known after the selling they just take the money and fulfill that loan. But where the fixed capital is needed, there that money will fixed, or you say that set from the your assets. For that we are going for the own money or own borrows money by the issue of shares. Next.
State of capital market.
State of capital market. If the capital market is good, you are easily arrange the money from the capital market, then you are not going for the taking the big size of loan, because when you are needed, then go and take. But the problem is there, then you are not waiting for that bank. Even capital market position will good, then we are going to take the money. You needed the money for your business, then directly needed. If position is good, so they are going for the borrows. If position is not good, so they are more and more for the own capital. Next.
Dividend decision.
First revise up to this, then dividend decision. Clear up to this, clear or not? Okay, start with the dividend. Dividend, I think you will know about the dividend. Dividend is the income which is given by the company to our shareholders on his share. When the company is earning money on the share, that income will distribute his shareholders, that is called dividend. Okay, when the company is earning profit or earning money by the company working, that money they are going to distribute in the share in the terms of dividend. Okay, and how much dividend we are going to pay, what amount of dividend, what percentage of dividend we are going to pay, for that we are taking the decision that is called dividend decision. Okay, beta? Clear? Next.
Factors affecting dividend decision.
Yes, first is
Earning.
earning. Wait, you are going to pay the money by the earning. So how much earning you are earned, then you are going to pay the dividend. It means that earning is always just affect the dividend decisions. Next.
Stability of earning.
Stability of earning. If your earning is stable, they will easily to give the dividend. But if that is not able, that is not stable, not able, that is not stable, then you have to manage your dividend on the basis of that earning. 1 month you are getting 8,000, second month 1,000, next 12,000, 2,000, 18,000, 5,000. Then that is fluctuating. Then we are going to what? Then we are going to take the system like that. Every month we are giving the 5%, 2%, 8%. We are not fluctuating like that. 1%, 18%, 4%, 39%. So that isn't taken by the home, by the company, and this fluctuation of income will affect your decision. Next.
Cash flow position.
Cash flow position. How much cash you require? If you require more and more cash, then you are giving the less dividend. And if you require less cash, then you are giving the more dividend. Because that money you are earning by the company or earning in the terms of profit, that will utilize just using in your business. Next.
Growth opportunities.
Growth opportunity. Two type of shares issued better. One growth share, one dividend share. If the company is want to growth or business, so they are not going to give the more dividend. They are trying to utilize that profit in investing in his business. And if they didn't think about the growth, then they are giving that money as a dividend. Next.
Stability of dividend.
Okay. In every company, in every business, they are trying to set the stability of the dividend. Because if you are giving the 2% 1 year, 10%, 3%, 12%, this is not the right way. Try to manage like that. 4%, 3%, 5%, 4%, 3%, 5%. It's what? It's the stability. Okay? Less fluctuation. Okay? For that we are taking the decision how to manage the stability of dividend. Because by this, all the shareholder will interested to purchase your shares. But on this case, they are not interested. Maybe this time 12, maybe that time 0. So they are not going to. Next.
Preference of shareholders.
Preference of shareholders. Actual case is that I am just telling you two type of share we are issuing. One is growth share, one is dividend share. If shareholders want dividend, then we have to. We should be given. But they want to growth, so that money we are utilizing for the investing in our business. It's a depend on the shareholders thinking or shareholders demand. Next.
Taxation policy.
Okay. One is very important thing. If we are showing more and more profit, to more tax we have to pay. Okay, beta? But same thing we are going to give in the dividend. Then that money will give to the shareholder. Okay? And your profit will less, and then you are going to less tax. Okay, beta? If more tax is there, so they are trying to give the more and more money in dividend. If less tax is there, so they are trying to save that money for investing your business. Next.
Access to capital market consideration.
Okay. How we are going to present these things in capital market? Because our shares, our debentures will issued in the capital market. They are selling and purchasing in the capital market. If you are showing the growth, that value will increase. If you have only dividend, then that value will decrease. What way you are going to present in your share in capital market? That things also will taking as a factor of dividend decisions. Next.
Legal restrictions.
Yes. It's a very important thing. It's not like that you are thinking and do these things. No. Some restriction is coming by the Company Act. You are going to pay up to this amount as a dividend and going to take up to this amount as a profit or investing in your business. And you have to follow our company will going to follow that rules and regulation. Okay, beta? Next.
Contractual constraints.
What type of contract you are doing with the shareholders? You are on the time of selling your share, you are giving some contract, na beta. If in that contract you are giving the contract for the giving the dividend, so then give the dividend. If for the growth, so then that money will invest in your business. Next,
Stock market reactions.
reactions. If you are giving the, you are taking the decision for that, you are taking all profit utilized in your business for the growth. Then in the stock market message is going on, you are not giving any type of dividend. Then minus is going on. Negative thing is going on, beta. And if you are giving the more and more dividend, then again negative thing is going on. You are not going to invest your money, or you are not thinking about the growth of your business. So for that we are going to think about that from which way we are making or managing the positive thing in the stock market. Next. Okay? Up to this is clear?